So assessing climate in a high tunnel or greenhouse is really important in terms of disease management. Growers must know what the climate is and be able to manipulate the climate in order to manage disease. So our fungal and bacterial pathogens need two major things to complete their life cycle. That is free water and moderate temperatures. So moderate temperatures would be something we would relate in spring or fall or in a shaded area during the summer. And when we talk about free water, we're primarily talking about humidity, rain, irrigation, fog, or dew. And in a high tunnel or in a greenhouse environment, that typically is coming from irrigation. In this case, we have drip irrigation, but that drip irrigation is creating a high humidity. And humidity is really important, not just to monitor, but also to be able to control. And here we are, we're approaching July. So the sidewalls in this tunnel are up. So we have a lot of breeze blowing through. We have a lot of air circulation. So in essence, the humidity in this tunnel is not much higher than it is outside. But early in the season, humidity can be really high inside of a high tunnel because we have a temperature differential, usually warm on the inside and cooler on the outside. That's when we'll start seeing condensation inside a tunnel. That's when the humidity is raised really high. So to be able to manipulate that humidity by exchanging air, even if it's chilly outside, to be able in short bursts, to be able to open tunnels, ventilate, and to be able to exchange air. Because anytime humidity is above 70%, our plant pathogens can complete their entire life cycles even without rain. So 70% is typically our magic number. Anything above 70% is really conducive for disease development. Usually under 70%, there are not many pathogens that can complete their life cycle at that point. The only exception would usually be powdery mildew that can complete its life cycle at about 40% humidity. But other than that, 70% is that magic number. So it's really important that growers monitor relative humidity throughout the season, particularly in the springtime. Something else we can do is to trim plants so that there's more and better air circulation, space plants a little further apart, or make sure that a tunnel is oriented so that the breeze will blow through easily when just the doors are open, for example. And with that air movement, we'll usually have faster drying of our plant parts, of our leaves inside our canopies. And with that drying of leaves, we have a lower or less of that free water that is so conducive for disease.